Morning, everyone. It's Feb Fest here at Holy Cross. So I think it's Throwback Thursday today. So yeah, I'm not my tie. I'm in my throwback to my university days, my RMC sweatshirt. So we want to be working on review of Python. So in your content, we've got a unit called Review of Grade 11. If you take a look inside of Replit, I've added a link to the first question. So if you're not sure how to get started, I've created a little screencast on how to solve the problem. I'll solve some of these problems and put links in the question itself. But the idea here is these are things for you to be practicing. Don't worry about the assessment piece of this. You need to practice coding in order to get better at it. And so we want to get familiar with the Python programming language. And it's recommended that you complete all of these assessments. If you're having difficulties, make sure you let me know. I've had some students already contact me with some code, and they had specific things like, okay, this part isn't working. I'm not sure what's happening. I grabbed their code, did a quick screencast, walked through, and gave them back. I'm assuming that worked well because they haven't come back with more questions. If you're getting stuck, don't be worried about that. Let me know. And I need feedback to find it. Is this too hard? Is it too easy? And yeah, so you want to be working through. It would be great if you could get the first 5 review questions done in the next day. And we'll see how that goes. All right. Have a good day.